Summertime Sizzle, exploring outdoor cooking on the deck. Proudly brought to you by CleanerOnCall.com. Summer is here, and there's nothing better than entertaining guests in your backyard. If you're planning on cooking outdoors this summer, it's important to make sure your patio or veranda is ready for guests. Not only will a clean and organized outdoor space make your guests feel welcome, but it will also make your job as the host easier. We'll provide you with 10 tips for preparing your patio or veranda for summer entertaining. Tip number 1: clean and declutter your outdoor space. The first step to preparing your patio or veranda for summer entertaining is to give it a good clean. Sweep or hose down the area to remove any dirt or debris, and remove any clutter that may have accumulated over the winter. If you have any outdoor furniture, give it a good scrub to remove any dirt or stains. Tip number 2: arrange furniture for easy conversations. When arranging your outdoor furniture, think about the flow of conversation. Arrange your seating in a way that allows your guests to easily talk and mingle with one another. Consider adding side tables or additional seating to accommodate larger groups. Tip number 3: add lighting. For ambience, lighting can play a big role in creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for your guests. Add string lights, lanterns, or outdoor candles to create a cozy ambience. If you're looking to create a more functional outdoor space, consider adding task lighting to your cooking area. Tip number 4: set up a cooking station. Having a designated cooking area will not only make your job easier as the host, but it will also allow your guests to interact with you as you cook. Set up a grill or outdoor stove, and make sure you have all the necessary cooking tools and supplies on hand. Tip number 5: keep bugs at bay. Bugs can quickly ruin an outdoor gathering. To keep them at bay, consider adding citronella candles or mosquito-repelling plants to your outdoor space. Make sure you have plenty of bug spray on hand for your guests. Tip number 6: add color with potted plants. Potted plants are an easy and affordable way to add color and life to your outdoor space. Choose plants that will thrive in your area's climate and make sure to water them. Tip number 7: provide plenty of seating. Make sure you have enough seating for all of your guests. If you're short on space, consider adding benches or ottomans that can double as seating. Tip number 8: create a music playlist. Music can set the tone for your outdoor gathering. Create a playlist of your favorite songs that will create a fun and lively atmosphere for your guests. Tip number 9: provide shade. If you live in an area with hot summers, providing shade is essential. Consider adding a canopy or umbrella to your outdoor space to protect your guests from the sun. Tip number 10: have fun and enjoy your space. Finally, the most important tip for preparing your patio or veranda for summer entertaining is to have fun and enjoy your space. Don't stress too much about having a perfect outdoor space. The most important thing is that you and your guests have a good time together. With these 10 tips, you'll be able to prepare your patio or veranda for summer entertaining in no time. Remember to clean and declutter your space, arrange your furniture for easy conversation, add lighting for ambience, set up a cooking station, keep bugs at bay, add color with potted plants, provide plenty of seating, create a music playlist, provide shade, and most importantly, have fun. With a little bit of effort, your outdoor space will be the perfect place to entertain your guests all summer long. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share with your friends and family. Contact us for all your cleaning needs. We are small, local, and very affordable. CleanerOnCall.com. We touch, it shine.